beginning to get dark. Aren't you forgetting the woods are still full of your friendly villagers?
We could go in the TARDIS.
No, Adric. You move this ship and we could finish up anywhere.
And if we don't, the Doctor and Tegan could finish up dead.
Still locked.
So's this. We'll try this one.
Oh, not again.
That exit is impossible, my dear sir. I would never get through it.
If you abandon some of that junk, you might.
This, my dear doctor, is our insurance.
Looks more like overkill to me.
It's stuck.
Can't be.
It's been sealed. We'll have to find the back door.
What is that?
Help if we're lucky.
What's wrong?
I don't know.
Not the android.
Stay calm. Why won't it work?
Perhaps I'm pushing the wrong buttons.
Maybe she was damaged by the booster.
What is this?
It may be the only glimpse you ever get of my TARDIS.
Try and think what the Doctor would do if he were here.
He'd probably get angry.
I said empathise, not be silly.
Got it!
Brilliant.
At last. You really should get this crate serviced, you know.
We made it. Doctor! Tegan, you're safe.
So, you got here at last.
Come on, Doctor, be grateful. If nothing else, it saved us a long walk.
I like long walks.
It worked.
Anyway, I'm pleased to see you.
I too, my friend.